Hello everyone, I am Dr. Parul Shah. I am a psychologist, graphologist, workshop designer and phonics expert. I am the author of the book Empower with BLA Phonics 1 and 2. Both are available on Amazon and Flipkart. I am early education empowerment coach. I help women to start their career in teaching at home. Today is the auspicious day of Navratri. So happy Navratri to all of you. As it is the onset of Navratri, let's talk about its importance, its value today. Navratri is a 9-day Hindu festival observed in honor of the divine feminine energy, that is Goddess Durga or Goddess Ambe. So it has a lot of culture, tradition, mythology, physical aspect and social elements to it. Let's discuss all one by one. First, let us see when do we celebrate Navratri. As per the Hindu calendar, we celebrate 10 days of Ganesh festival followed by 16 days of Shraddh Pad in which we remember our ancestors. At the end of this comes Navratri. Navratri is a 9-day festival. We play Garba all the 9 days. So the tradition is that we play Garba, Dandiya in traditional attire. That is, girls wear chaniya choli and boys wear kediyu. The dandiyas are also decorated. The dress up is, adorned by traditional jewelry, makeup, and a lot of things to add to its glamour. People go to different pandals to play Garba. Many societies also host these Garbas. People play on traditional music. So the whole atmosphere is very traditional. There is a mythological story behind each day. The life story of Goddess Ambe is been divided in these 9 days. So each day represents one part of her story. And that is why there are different names of her roop each day, which denotes different colors. So every day we wear different colors. So each day has a specific color to it. It represents a specific roop of Ambe Ma. So like this, there is a mythological story behind each day's celebration. On the 10th day is Dashera. Now there are two importance of that day too. On this day, Ambe Ma defeated Mahisasur, who was a demon and used to trouble everyone. And on Dashera, Lord Ram defeated Ravan. So it's a day of the victory of truth over evil. And that is why we start many new things on this day, because it is a start of good things, it is a start of truth, it is a start of purity. These are all the things that we need to transfer to our children so that they know this and these things go on to the next generation. There are many cultural aspects too. In Navratri, many people take up clay pot and then they pray that clay pot for all the 9 days. They do puja, prasad, aarti. In villages, small girls come with these clay pots and they sing traditional songs and people give them gifts, sweets, money. This tradition has been forgotten these days in the cities. When we play Garba, a lot of energy is utilized. So you need to be very strong physically. It is an actually exercise that we do by playing Garba for such a long time. So it is very good for our health also. It increases our stamina to play, and also it increases our focus towards our health. Navratri is also about women power. As we see each roop on each day, we see the power Ambe Ma had in all the stages of her life. and also when she defeated the demon Mahisasur. So this is woman power. This shows what a woman can do if she thinks that she can do it. So we must gather our strength and always be ready to embrace the challenges of our lives. If we put our first foot forward, if we pull up our socks and give our best, we can win and we can overtake all the challenges. While we play Garba, it is usually played in a group. So it's a social activity also, which is behind the whole concept of playing Garba, where we meet people, we play with them, everyone synchronized to the same step. So it helps in society building, community building, and people adjust with each other's tal, what we say, to give a flawless performance. And that is why this also helps in improving social skills for our children. So make it a point to take them to play Garba this Navratri and enjoy all the 9 days with balancing their school and studies. I hope I have shared enough about the Navratri, and if you have any other query, please comment below. If you have not subscribed me yet, please subscribe me for more. Bye-bye. Take care.